Welcome back. Let's do question 2.4. The graph of the functions f of x is equal to a cos b theta and g of x is equal to c tan theta for this domain as sketched below. The graphs intersect at P where the x coordinate is 58 degrees and the y coordinate is 1,6, and also we have Q. Determine the coordinates of Q. But in the previous questions, we have managed to find the value of A and the value of B and even the value of C. So we found that A is 3 and then B is 1, meaning that f of x is equal to 3 cos theta. Then C is 1, so meaning that g of x is equal to tan theta. Right, what we have here, we have the value of theta in the what? In the first quadrant. If you check, this is from 0 to 90 degrees. That is the first quadrant. From 90 degrees to 180 degrees, that is the second quadrant. So Q is in the second quadrant. And then we know that in the second quadrant, we have 180 degrees minus theta. That's how we reduce the angles. It's like this. Right, in the first quadrant, we have theta. In the second quadrant, 180 degrees minus theta. In the third quadrant, 180 degrees plus theta. And then in the fourth quadrant, 360 degrees minus theta. So now it means in the second quadrant, the x-coordinate of Q is going to be 180 degrees minus 58 degrees. Okay, and then what do we get? 122 degrees. Then how can you find the y-coordinate? You can substitute into this. You can find your 3 cos 122 degrees, and then or you can find your tan 122 degrees. You'll find that your y is equal to negative 1,6. Y is equal to negative 1,6. So it means the coordinates of Q, we have the x coordinate being 122 degrees and then the y coordinate negative 1,6.